We are here at Agritechnica 2015 to celebrate the Tractor of the Year 2016. Tractor of the Year is becoming one of the most important events in Europe because it involves all the manufacturers in the agricultural industry. Our main issue is to keep on looking at the best technologies and solutions available on market.
Through innovation, we will be able to promote the growth and the sustainability of our own industry. So we are very proud to be part of this forum.
It's a pleasure to be here for being awarded of this prize. When we started to develop the active drive 3 years ago, was clear the objectives. We have got these results, and the journalists judge our solution the best solution in the market today.
We are delighted to win this award for the utility tractor sector. It's the new sector that's been created, so we're even more delighted to be ahead of the race in this brand new category. Very proud of the 5700 series, and it's real credit due to an enormous amount of teamwork and from our engineering team in Beauvais, France.
We are very proud and we are very happy to get this recognition from the journalists, from the experts all over Europe, that we got awarded for our 1050 Vario, because we have a lot of passion. We try to understand what our customers need, and then we make the design.